see where we end up. Train. Train. Alright. There's really nothing worthwhile in that top level. Train. 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 It's the worst one. Well, might as well give me the next level. There's nothing up there. Like $9. Train. On a train. Take it. I wish I could go live for Matt and Corey. I didn't get my 50 subscribers. They didn't tell their friends. You know, when you're playing the game, these gigantic ones show up, and then when you get into the bonus, they're nowhere to be seen. Shaping up to be halfway decent. I like this one because the max bet is, well, it's not displayed, but the max bet's $375. Kind of nice. We're at the D, by the way. Boosters made a significant difference. Train! Son of a bitch. Fucker. April got the same bonus with the same wager and got $36. I said, April, hold my beer. I need a monster to land. Thank you. Cape Cod. All done. This time I won't cut it off until after it adds it up. We're gonna hit 300. That's pretty good. All right, almost 100x. All right, gentlemen, that concludes this session.